Hi boys and girls. In this video we're going to learn how to write sentences using the third conditional. Just to remind you that the third conditional is untrue in the past. So the moment you see verbs in the simple past in a sentence, you automatically think, okay, I'm going to use CT3. Let's check out this sentence. They didn't study, so they flunked the test. We have two clauses over here. One of them has a negative verb and the other has an affirmative verb. Remember the rule I told you earlier? Whatever is affirmative, we make it negative and vice versa. So we have to turn this verb into an affirmative one and this one into a negative one. So now, based on the form of CT3, we're going to use the past perfect, which is had plus past participle. So we went from didn't study to had studied, okay? And then we went from flunked to would not have flunked, because I'm supposed to use would have in the past participle. And since it is affirmative, I had to make it negative. And we always put not after the first word in our verb phrase. So the sentence now reads, if they had studied, of course we get rid of so, which indicates the result clause, they would not have flunked the test. And now here's another example. I didn't have time yesterday, so I couldn't visit you. Both of my verbs are negative, and that's the truth. I want to make it untrue, so I'm using CT3. Because I have verbs in the simple past. I have did and I have could. So now I'm going to turn the negative verbs into affirmative ones, and of course I have to get rid of so. If I had, yeah, the verb have in the past perfect is supposed to be had plus past participle. So we end up with had. If I had time yesterday, comma, I could have visited you. So here it was could, I kept it could because we have options. We can use would, could, or might. So could, you keep it could. And that would be it.